Hello friends, this is Mohit and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll see how to install Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS on your system. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need to open the browser. I'm opening Google Chrome and type SQL Server download. Now click on this one. This is a URL from www.microsoft.com. So you need to click on this first URL. Now close this one. And if you scroll down, here you will see we have multiple options to download. So let's use this Express one because it is a kind of free edition. So let's download it. Click on this one, download now. Now go to a downloaded file, open this one, click yes. So here you can see that SQL Server 2022 Express edition, and you can select this basic here. Now you need to accept this license agreement here. Click on this, accept, and this is the path where this is going to be installed. And you can see the details like what is the size of file and what is the space requirement. Okay, so now you can click on install. So it has started downloading the package. Actually, this is going to take some time, so let it install. We'll be back once the installation is complete. Okay, so this SQL Server 2022 is finally installed. These are the details, and now we need to install the SSMS ID, and for that here is the option to install SSMS. This is the SQL Server installation. Now the second part is we need to install SSMS. So here you can see install SSMS option is here. You can click on this. Okay, now here if you scroll down, see is an option to download this one. So click on this link. Okay, so it has started downloading. It will take some time. So let's wait for that. Okay, so download is complete. Now let me open this exe file. SSMS setup enu.exe. Okay, so you can close this one. SQL Server 2022. Click on yes. Now, so here you can see that exe file, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This is open, and we can simply click on this install button. Click on this. Click on yes. So it is loading packages here. It will take some time. So let's wait for it. Okay, now you can see that setup is completed. So let us close this one. Now, since we have installed Microsoft SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio both, so we can just go to the start menu and type SSMS. So here you can see SQL Server Management Studio. Click on this one. Okay. So now here you can see that it is asking us to connect to the server. And here are the details like server type, what is the server name, what is the authentication type. So there are multiple options like SQL Server authentications, window authentication, etc. Okay. So as of now, we can go with window authentication. So everything seems fine. Now you can click on connect option. There you go. See, connection to the server is successful. Now you can click on this new query. This will open a new page. Okay. And here you can start writing your codes. So in left panel, if you see, this is the object explorer, and there are multiple options like this is a SQL Server connection, and here is the database security, server objects, etc. Okay. And inside databases, we can create our database, and we can create tables and store procedures, views, etc. Whatever we need to do, we can do inside the database. Okay. Okay. Then we can use this page in order to write our query. Okay. Like if I write select one, see, it will execute the query. So this was all about installing SQL Server and SSMS in your system. And this was a very brief idea about the Object Explorer. We'll see these things in a very great detail in our future videos. So from the next video, we'll cover all the basic to advanced concept in SQL, and also we'll solve few questions which are like most popular for interviews. Okay, so this is the start of it. Okay, guys, that's it for the videos. So today we saw how to install SQL Server and SSMS in our system. From my next video, I'll slowly cover all the topic on SQL from basic to advanced level. And also I'll be covering few interesting and important interview questions which are like very frequently asked. Okay. So in the next video, we will discuss how to create database, how to create table, and how to insert the data, and how we can use that data. Okay. So we'll see these things in a very great detail in our next video. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that as soon as I upload the video, you can get the notification and you can benefit yourself by learning a new concept within a very minimal time. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.